guys, today I'm doing this makeup look, and if you guys want to see how I do it, keep on watching. Today I'm going in with Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation in Ivory Nude. I'm just going to put this on this flat foundation brush. I'm actually going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair, just because my foundation is a little lighter. I'm going to go right in and set that with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Okay, I'm going to go in with Benefit Hula Bronzer and bronze my face. Going in with this Morphe Fluffy Angle Brush, I'm going to do my blush with the, of course, Tarte Blush Bliss palette, and in the shade Breathtaking and Lovable. I'm going to mix those. Those are the two pink shades right here. I'm going to take those, mix them, and put those on my cheeks. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. This shade, the Pink Heart, and mix it with the purple horseshoe shade right here, the purple. It's because we're going to be doing a purple look today, and I don't really use that shade much, and you know, today's the day I can use it, so I'm going to use it. Quickly set that with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, just to lock that into place. It was almost gone. Very sad. Need to get some more. Today I'm using my Morphe 35B palette, of course. I'm going to do a nice purpley, shiny look with a white liner. It's going to be Valentine's Day is not just pink and red, guys. You can wear purple. You can wear whatever color you want. Okay? Don't let people make you think that. So I'm going in with this palette. And I am going to start with this light pinky shade right here. I'm going in with this darker pink shade. Now I'm going to put that basically where I put the transition shade, but a little bit lower, just so it fades perfectly and flawlessly. Going in with this light purpley shade and just going to darken up the crease in the outer edge of my eye. I'm just going to darken up that edge with this little darker purple, not the dark, but the middle shade purple. Now I'm going with this shade. It's like a shiny pinkishy purple shade. I think it's really pretty, and I'm just going to take that on my finger and put that right in the inner part of my eye. And I'm just going to go back in with my brush with the fluffier end and just kind of blend that into the other shadows. So I finished my eyes. I did a black liner. I used a Stila black eyeliner, and I put that just a little bit on the top, and then I put the light purple and the medium purple right underneath my lid, and I put the white shadow as my inner corner highlight and on my brow bone. I tried doing the white liner and it looked like crap, so I had to improvise. I had to take that off and I had to redo it all. So yeah, that's why you didn't really see me do that, because I just needed to fix it. I did put my mascara on, and now I'm going in with lips. I'm going to use this Flower lipstick in the shade LS3 Tender. It's a name, and it's like this purpley pinky shade. And there you go, that's my finished look. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below what you want to see me do next, and make sure you subscribe to that channel and press that bell icon so you get every notification when I upload a video. I upload every Tuesday and Friday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, and thank you guys all for watching. Bye!